in reference of 12. So follow me with 12 on the clock. Whenever you have 12 o'clock, that the hour is on the dot, you would say en punto. So 12 o'clock becomes doce en punto. When 15 minutes passed, you know it's a quarter. So in Spanish, a quarter past 12 would be son las 12 y cuarto. You may also say the number. It's 12:15 would be son las 12:15. If half an hour passed the time, you would say son las 12:30 or son las 12:30. If you want to say a number that is not the quarter or is not the half, you may just say the number. For example, it's 12:14 would be son las 12:14. For this, it's important for you to know the numbers from 1 to 60. Now, if there is a quarter to the hour, to the next hour, so let's say it's a quarter to 1, falta un cuarto para la 1. Or faltan 15 minutos para la 1. You may also say the number, let's say it's 5 to 1, you can say faltan 5 para la 1. Okay? Don't worry, you won't be wrong if you use the numbers. You may use whichever you feel more comfortable with. Okay? Thank you and see you next time.